Hello, I'm Kevin Nichols. Here's my assessment of Periodic Blaster Pro. With students today, you find them disengaged often in the classroom. Thus, the information they're getting is leaving them unengaged and unstimulated. With this, students have to take tests without fully understanding what they have learned. With Periodic Blaster Pro, you saw that the student will be going through different locations with its crew and traveling throughout the solar system to different planets. In their travels, they'll be gathering different elements and fighting different enemies. In this assessment objectives, the student will need to understand its weapon systems. Also, the student will need to understand the scanner system in which it needs to gather its elements. It will need to understand how to equip its weapon to defeat the monster that it will encounter throughout the game with the periodic elements that it gathers. In Periodic Blaster Pro, you will need to be assessed throughout the game to show that you're understanding how to use your elements with your weapon and your scanner system. The first tutorial of Periodic Blaster Pro would take you through your weapon systems. It would also take you through your scanner systems and showing you how to equip them, your elements with your weapon to defeat the different elemental monsters that you'll be facing throughout your missions. Because the student will need to log their progress throughout the game to demonstrate the things that they're learning and how they're using their weapons and their scanners with the different elements to defeat the different enemies and the objectives throughout the game. I think this gives the instructor the ability to go in and assess how the student is using it in an efficient manner throughout the game. I think this will provide the student with a more exciting experience in the classroom, to being able to keep in mind what they're learning and how they're using what they're learning. I hope you've enjoyed. This is Kevin Nichols.